How to back up all data on Android before a factory reset. This tutorial shows you how to make sure everything is saved before wiping your device. First, open your Android settings and scroll down to tap on Accounts and Backup. After that, under the Samsung Cloud section, tap on Backup Data. From there, you will see a list of everything that can be backed up. Go through each option and make sure they are all toggled on. At this point, make sure Contacts, Settings, Apps, Home Screen Layout, Clock, Messages, Call Logs, Calendar, and Voice recordings are all enabled. In the next step, once everything is toggled on, scroll down and tap on Backup Now to start the process immediately. Following this, make sure your internet connection stays stable and wait for the backup to fully complete before doing anything else. Once done, if you also want to back up your photos and videos, go back to the Accounts and Backup page and tap on Backup Data again. From here, tap on Photos and Videos and make sure the backup toggle is turned on. At this stage, this will sync all your photos and videos to Google Drive, so nothing gets lost during the factory reset. Finally, once both backups are fully complete, you can now safely proceed with your factory reset, knowing all your data is securely saved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you back up all your data before a factory reset, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.